Do you wish you could spend less on gas? Have you ever felt worried by a warning light turning on? Or frustrated with being stuck on the side of the road? Well, worry no more. Introducing the Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor, a smart device that monitors your car's health and helps with your fuel efficiency. Simply plug it in under your dashboard. Sync to the free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app and you're done. While you're driving, the Zeus Ezzysaver Dashboard provides instant feedback on your driving behavior to help you save as much as 25 cents per gallon. Green means you're driving efficiently, and orange means you're guzzling gas. The Zeus app also notifies you when a problem is detected. If your check engine light is on, view what's wrong and ways to fix the problem. Save a trip to the mechanic for minor issues by clearing the light yourself. Most importantly, the Zeus Safety Center scans your car and analyzes historical data to look for potential issues before they become serious problems. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Zeus has your back. Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor by Nonda. Today's technology for yesterday's car.